Whenever you just upload a video in YouTube, that time whenever you just share your video in the Facebook, that time you see that your video title, everything is showing properly, but your video doesn't show the thumbnail of which are appear in the YouTube. But you want that the YouTube video thumbnail also appear in the Facebook, but it doesn't appear here right now. But what is the solution? Guys, believe it or not, there have a approximate fresh solution, a quick solution for it. So before that, let me introduce myself. I'm Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Tech. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Stay tuned. So first of all, what you have to do is that there have a problem, approximate problem is that in your video there might have some debug problem, and we need to just solve this debug problem. Whenever you just solve this debug problem, that time your YouTube video thumbnail also show in your Facebook whenever you just going to share it. For that, what you have to do is that you need to just go to in this website called developers.facebook.com/2/debug. And here you need to just give the link, and here just copy the link from here and then just paste the link, and now click on the debug, and then time your all the problems will be solved there. Here it is, the problems are solving there, and you can now just share your this in your YouTube. Now just share it now freshly. Just click here on the Facebook and it will be shared with the thumbnail is coming here up here. So that's it guys, and you can just make it here, and now just click here to post it. I just give a title here. Now just click on the post to Facebook and it will be posted in my Facebook account. Now just go to here and just click on my Facebook, go to in my Facebook, and here it is, my top upcoming smartphone is here. So guys, that's it from me. Guys, if you just get any help from this video and if you just learn something from this video, so I request you to give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, goodbye, see you soon, have a nice day.